Hello, Nomad Sculpt. Two quick tips for simple merge and stats. Okay, let's switch to the Nomad app. On the left side, okay, here, this section, you can, when you press here, let's go back to Nomad, then only the active object is, and when you press again, you can hide it and you can show it. This is the first tip. And the second tip is when you got here a lot of primitives and you simple merge the objects like this, simple merge, and now you can, when you want to edit one object, especially from this selected simple merged object, you can use the solo view, and in the mask, use the mask, and now you can tap only with a finger on the object. And now you can invert the mask, and at the bottom is a bottom hide mask. And now you got only this object separated. And now you can, use the move tool or something. And now you can go back. It's sometimes useful to get only one object selected. Okay. Sometimes it helps. Okay, ciao. Have fun with sculpting.